are really lucky to be able to travel for a living. And one of the sweet things that we take advantage of is getting up very early to have a walk or a run wherever we may be. Looking forward to that, I set out early this morning in the winding back streets of Naousa to soak up the serenity. The sailboaters still asleep in their bunks. The fishing boats lining the harbor. Resourceful delivery people. The sun trying to peek over the horizon. Proud houses behind ordinarily busy sidewalk cafes and tavernas. And if you are up early enough, you get to see the catch of the day being offloaded. Simply joy.